To extend my warm greetings to all members present, all shareholders present at the 5th Annual General Meeting of HP Adhesives. I now present to you the annual report of 2023-24. As we navigate an ever-evolving business landscape, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our shareholders for placing their undying trust in HP Adhesives Limited. Your enduring faith in the company is the driving force that motivates us to work tirelessly towards achieving our strategic goals and generating sustained value for each one of you. We are pleased to report that we have delivered an exceptional performance in financial year 2023-24. The year has been instrumental in our growth. We have achieved our highest ever profits since the inception of the company. Our focus on enhancing profitability and leveraging our core strengths and pivoting towards the right direction has been a very important milestone in this year. This is after a highly volatile 2-year period of the post-pandemic era where we saw supply chain disruption, runaway inflation impacting business operations. We have successfully expanded our market reach through an increased number of dealer and distribution network presence across the country. Additionally, we introduced several new products in our core categories of adhesives and sealants and further solidified our position and helped us and moved us forward in this direction. We also introduced spray paints in our portfolio, which has seen considerable value considerable interest within our distribution network. Our strategic initiatives have been centered on driving sustainable growth while maintaining operational excellence. However, the year has not been without its own set of challenges. We navigated volatile raw material prices, inconsistent demand from a variety of customers across segments, but we remained agile and responded to upcoming challenges and addressed each and every one appropriately, allowing us to deliver a robust set of numbers. Moving forward, we are committed to sustaining this growth trajectory by continuing to focus on our core strengths and strategies, expanding our market presence and introducing new products that align with market trends and customer demands. We will remain adaptable to market dynamics, ensuring that we continue to thrive and grow in a proactive and sustainable manner. Please note that the reports of the statutory auditor and secretarial auditor do not contain any qualifications, observations, or remarks that have an adverse effect on the functioning of the company. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our dedicated team.
With respect to the flat growth that the company achieved, but profitability was higher. So for the benefit of all the shareholders, let me give a perspective that this particular flat growth was on account of net reduced selling prices, but in terms of volume growth, the volume growth was in double-digit growth, and hence which resulted in high profitability. So with respect to the industry dynamics, the revenue has come down in terms of value, but the company has been successful in achieving double-digit volume growth, and as a result of which even the profitability increased. So, and going forward also, we are very confident that we'll continue to grow in terms of volume as well as value. Another question was with respect to the sales strategy. The sales strategy is, the company has been investing in the sales team and product expansion and distribution network. This will continue to be the focus of the company going ahead. So what company will do is that, as you would have seen in last several years, from single product category to multiple product categories, we have grown from few hundred distributors to more than 1450 plus distributors in the coming years. And with respect to the markets also, domestic as well as international markets will be our focus area. So this will continue to be the sales strategy going forward. It will be domestic distribution focus, export focus, as well as new product categories. So it will be a comprehensive strategy that the company will continue to work on in order to achieve higher growth and profitability in the coming years. The third question was with respect to which all new product categories that the company is planning to introduce. So let me tell you, considering the market scenario, the company has been constantly working on new product categories. We would be able to disclose only when we are closer to the launch time. But as you would have seen, company has been consistent in introducing new product categories over the last several years. As disclosed in the annual report, we have launched epoxy putty and spray paint in the last year, and this year we are about to launch epoxy adhesives. And the other product categories, as and when we are closer to the launch time, we'll let our fellow shareholders and investor community know about it through appropriate release of information in the public domain. One question was with respect to the number of employees and how many of them were female. So as of March 2024, company has 614 employees on its payroll, and out of which more than 200 employees are female employees. So company, has a very good mix of male and female employees, and is a strong believer in gender equality in workforce. And going forward, we'll continue to more or less have the same ratio in the coming years. One question was on the future roadmap and the budget implications. So as you would appreciate, India over the last 10 years has been growing at a healthy GDP growth rate, and as the economy grows with government's focus on infrastructure, agriculture, construction, and as the prosperity of Indians increase, Indians will continue to spend on home improvement, interior improvement, exterior improvement, and even infrastructure by the government and corporate sector. All these sectors are something where our products are used, and directly, indirectly, we cater to these sectors. So this will continue to grow in the coming years. We are extremely confident that there is a huge opportunity lying ahead for us, and we'll continue to exploit that by new product introduction, sales team expansion, and distribution expansion. So we are fairly confident to continue our growth momentum and profitability. Another question was with respect to a certain product categories which contribute mainly to our revenue, which is solvent, cement, silicon sealant. So the question was with respect to competitors. So as as available in public domain, there are quite a few large companies whom we compete with, like Pidilite, Astral, Asian Paints, even a couple of other companies which are MNCs like Dow, Sudal, and many regional players. So it's a competitive industry, and company has been able to grow in spite of good competition in the market, and we believe that going forward we'll continue to grow. One question was with respect to flattish revenue, which I answered that it's the value growth is not there, but volume growth is pretty much there. And a couple of product categories where revenue has gone down, particularly silicon sealant. So that is with respect to the competitive intensity in that industry, and we believe that we will not compete at the cost of price in the market. But that we have been able to come out with new product variants to cater to the competition, and now we are seeing good uptrend in that market as well. So it was an abnormal year in that sense, but going forward we'll continue to do well. And the last question was with respect to the IT and digital spend budget. So yes, we understand the future is IT and digital environment driven, and we continue to invest in the automation and digitalization of the business operations of the company. As of now, the IT and digital budget is roughly between 1 to 2%, and going forward we'll continue to look at various opportunities in this segment which can help us improve our efficiencies in business operations. So I hope all the questions are answered, and maybe I would just request Karan sir to give a list out point or a concluding remark on the future of the company.
See, as I already mentioned to everybody in my earlier statement, that It has been a unique year. Raw material prices came down substantially, leading to reduction in actual sales realizations, but leading to improved profitability. So the way we see with the current year prices being reasonably stable, we see a robust growth here. As far as our CSR or our IT spends or all the other ancillary factors of business, we continue to keep strengthening all of them, and I think those will show good dividends in the times to come. Thank you, Mihir sir. Thank you, Karan sir. The company has provided the facility of e